Missy Ottoman here. Today we are going to be unboxing like a Digit thing. Okay, so here it is. My dad is coming to join now. Whoa, guys, look at that. Okay, so I think these are the instructions, right? It's a little map. That's so cool. Make sure none of it falls out. That's what it looks like. We're going to be, let's get all these tools out first.
Safety first.
Let's get safety first out. We've got this little hammer, a little diggy thing, and a thing to clean up the dust. And of course the goggles, which we should put on because you always need this for science. Okay, let's get this baby out. Here he is! Da-da-da. I kind of look weird in these goggles. So, there we go. I don't actually know what's in here. Little thing. It's so cool. We should probably get a tray. We're gonna go get a tray quickly. I'm back and it's left a mark, but it doesn't matter. Got the tray, so we're gonna place this on here. Let's put our goggles on now. Alright, let's get our tools out. I am so excited. This is so easy to dig. Alright, I'm going to put this in fast time. Getting into it slowly. Hit something. I don't know. I don't think you can see it at the moment because it's kind of camouflaging with the volcano, but I'm going to try get it out. Oh. We've hit it. Hey guys, so we just found the dino tooth. It's kind of sharp. I think it's actually a real one, like a real dinosaur tooth. And it's so cool. I don't even think this is fake. This is so real. That's so cool. We found the dinosaur's head. Da, da, da. We've got the dinosaur's tooth and the dinosaur's head. Oh, whoa. Look at that, guys. I don't even know. I think this might be real. It's like so cool. It might not be, but it might be. It looks so cool. Okay, I don't know how many things we've got left to find, but I think I've already found another one. Let's try it out. Oh, we got it out, guys, and I think this is part of a volcano. It actually is part of a volcano, you can see. That's so cool. And the last thing I think I see right here, I don't actually know what the last thing was. I can't actually remember. Oh my, might be, but I'm not sure. Oh! I'm gonna have to see what this was. Okay, so we've now found the little tool that they used to use in the Stone Ages. And, okay. We still got a woolly mammoth too. I forgot. Right. So we got the woolly mammoth tusk, the Stone Age tool, the little head. I think it might be real because you can get that small. And the volcano piece. And last but not least, the T-Rex tooth. Or the dinosaur tooth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye. People of the earth.